get out. Here, look what's in here. What's in there?
Whoa.
Whoa, buddy.
Whoa.
Is that candy?
Holy cow.
Dad'll take that.
Grandma Deb's the best.
Mom and Dad will take the candy. Look at what's in here. What's in here? Ducky. A ducky. Ducky. Look what else, buddy. Look. Another ducky.
Yay. Yay.
Yeah. Oh, buddy, there's more. Look what else.
Go get more.
Come get the other stuff. Whoa, bunch of books. Here, your favorite.
I want the yellow stuff.
Okay, keep pulling. Ta-da, books. And look what you got.
Those are the
Buddy
best
Graham.
ever.
Bunny Graham. Yay.
Open them up.
Can we open up the card?
Yep, let's read the card.
It says, having a grandson like you is a very special blessing. Happy Easter. Love to my special little Peanut. Have a fun Easter and find lots of eggs. Love, Grandma Deb.
Yay. Yay. Can you clap?
Can you clap?
Can you clap for Grandma Deb? Oh yeah, you love books, don't you, buddy?
Yay.
There it is. Thanks, Grandma Deb.
Thanks, Grandma Deb.
Can you clap one more time, buddy?
Yay.
Good job.